Hospitals across the country are dealing with an unprecedented surge in COVID cases, and many worry this will get worse after Christmas. Face the Nation host Margaret Brennan joins us now live from Washington. Margaret, we've been talking about COVID so much over the past 40 minutes and this surge. I know you're going to be talking with former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb. What are public health experts telling you?
Well, Paula, I mean, this is so discouraging for so many people getting ready to gather for the holidays. I know it. And Dr. Francis Collins, the head of the National Institutes of Health, will also be with us to talk about how to safely gather, because there are questions about the reliance on testing to be able to gather safely, whether they are available, whether they are picking up some of these new variants. What the White House said today was that if you are unvaccinated, you are in for a winter of death and illness. Pretty stark terms there. We want to talk to the administration about their plans to keep schools open. That's highly reliant on testing. In fact, the CDC plan is to test kids twice a week. Is that available widely in most school districts? There are a lot of questions, Paul, as we go into these cold weather months and the expected tidal wave that many have predicted could result after families gather, just given how rapidly Omicron appears to be spreading.
Yeah, you hate to think about that. Margaret, I know you're going to be covering a number of issues on Sunday, and another one is this proliferation of fake pills for all kinds of ailments that are being sold, not just here in the United States, but around the world. What is the role of social media in all of this?
This is a big concern for the DEA administrator. I spoke with her exclusively about this record seizure of fake prescription pills, many of them laced with or made of fentanyl. That is this toxic substance that is really driving the overdose epidemic in this country that has killed 100,000 people in the past year. The DEA administrator really issuing a warning to social media companies that they need to start regulating themselves here, because they're seeing on TikTok, on Snapchat, Mexican drug cartels market directly to young people with images that are up for just a short period of time, then they quickly go down. They use symbols like emojis, emoticons, in order to signal the drugs that they say they are selling. But many of these individuals think they're buying Adderall. They think they're buying Oxy, and what they're getting is fentanyl, and they are dying. So this is a public service announcement from the DEA, who is also sharing what work they are doing to go after the cartels in Mexico making it, and the Chinese manufacturers who are providing the chemicals that go into it.
It's so important that people know about this. Margaret Brennan in the nation's capital. Margaret, thanks for being with us tonight. You can watch Margaret on Face the Nation Sunday morning at 10:30 right here on WBZ.